So you want to learn about subject-verb agreement when revising your writing. That's a pretty good idea because making sure that your subjects and your verbs match in singularity or plurality in your writing helps other people understand your writing and then be convinced by your point. First, let's understand some vocabulary. The subject of a sentence describes the person or thing that performs the action of a verb. There can be both singular and plural subjects, dog and dogs. A verb describes the action being performed in a sentence. There can be both singular and plural verbs. A singular verb is eats. A plural verb is eat. Subject-verb agreement occurs when subjects and verbs in sentences match in singularity or plurality. So if there's a singular subject used, the corresponding verb is singular. Same thing with plural. Let's look at some examples to understand this concept. In the first one, I use both a singular subject and verb. The dog eats the bone. So I drew one head for the singular subject and one set of legs for the singular verb. I did the same thing with the plural example below. Let's look at a few more examples. The dog eat the bone. The dog. Dog singular, so I'll draw one head. Eat. Well, the sentence is usually the dogs eat the bone. Eat is plural, two legs. Draw in there, that doesn't match. Same thing with the next example. So as we can see, the first example doesn't match because the subject is singular and the verb is plural. In the second example, it doesn't match because the subject, dogs, is plural, but the verb, eats, is singular. What can we do to fix this? We can revise our writing to fix mistakes like these. For example, one day Bob sees a tree and walks up to it. Suddenly, Katz runs by him and he sneezes as they leave. Singular subject Bob does not correspond with plural verb walk, but does with singular verb sees. The third example is incorrect because Katz is plural and runs is singular. We could change walk to plural form walks and run to plural form runs. Our revised version is clear. One day, Bob sees a tree and walks up to it. Suddenly, cats run by him and he sneezes as they leave. Hopefully now you can use this strategy of drawing subject-verb agreement people to help you match your subjects and verbs.